Bees are tiny, buzzing creatures that play a significant role in our ecosystem. These hardworking insects are the champions of pollination, responsible for the production of 1/3 of the food we eat. Their unique bodies are designed for this purpose. Female bees have a pollen basket on their legs, and male bees have a long, tube-like structure called a proboscis to reach nectar. Bees have two main types, honeybees and bumblebees. Honeybees are known for their hives and the honey they produce, while bumblebees are larger and solitary, living in small groups. Bees follow a fascinating dance to communicate the location of food sources to their hive mates. The waggle dance is a sequence of movements that tells other bees the direction and distance of a flower patch. Bees are not aggressive creatures. They only sting when provoked or when defending their hive. However, a bee's sting can be dangerous, as the stinger detaches and leaves the bee to die. Bees face numerous threats, including habitat loss, pesticides, and climate change. The decline of bee populations can have catastrophic consequences for our food supply, as many fruits, vegetables, and nuts rely on bees for pollination. There are several ways you can help bees: planting bee-friendly flowers, reducing pesticide use, and providing water sources for them. By helping bees, you're not only contributing to their survival but also ensuring a sustainable food supply for future generations. So, the next time you see a bee, remember, it's a tiny, buzzing marvel hard at work maintaining our food chain. Cherish them, and they'll continue to buzz their way through our gardens, ensuring a steady supply of delicious fruits and vegetables.